Hello? Guys, are you listening to me?
Yes.
Yes.
So what we are going to do today?
We're gonna do
Divides. No.
The worksheet. Yes, we are going to continue the worksheet. Yalla, go bring it quickly. We need to continue the worksheet.
Yes,
Yeah,
but I don't have the worksheet.
it's okay. Didn't you solve it on a paper?
No. Today I will solve it.
No, I told you to do it by Monday, right?
Yes.
So
I forgot.
this is the first and the last time, Lana. Okay?
Okay.
Yalla, all of you, please. I want you to prepare your worksheet in front of you.
Yes. Miss,
Yes, Amal.
I was thinking why you was late to let her
Because every time, Miss, I'm waiting 5 to 10 minutes until you all join the class. So now I started directly. لأنه عم عيد الشغلة أكتر من مرة، كل ما يفوت حدا عم برجع عيد، لأنه أنتم منكم on time، يعني هلا بعد في تلاميذ بعد ما عملت تجوين. ها طلعوا عليكم حسن صبرا. ها هلا إجا. هلا بيجي بفوت حسن، بيجي بقول له يلا يا حسن bring your worksheet because we're going to continue solving the worksheet.
Miss, I joined at 9:57.
You mean
Let us start.
lecture.
يلا guys, let us continue.
Okay.
Yeah, and question number 4, by the way, it's very important.
Yes.
Because it tells how much did you understand the lesson. Okay?
Oh yes.
So it's not enough to solve only the division. Because sometimes you might be able to study the steps.
Miss?
But the problem, guys, I'm talking, you have to listen to me. Because sometimes when you do the division, you might study the steps, but if you solve problems, that would show how much did you understand the lesson, okay? More students are joining right now. Okay. So, in this problem, we have two parts. The two parts are independent. That means every part alone should be solved alone. Okay? So we are going to start. Lana, she just remembered that she did the worksheet. Yalla, put it in front of you, Lana. Yeah. So the first problem tells how many groups of 8 can be formed with 75 flowers. So how many flowers do we have in total?
75 flowers.
Very good. So who can tell me what does the 75 represent in the division?
75 times 8.
Guys, listen. Listen before you answer. Listen to my question, think, then answer. Okay? Who can tell me what does more students joining right now? So, who can tell me what does the 75 represent in the division?
Total.
No. What does the total number of things represent?
Yes, I know.
Try.
8 times 9.
يا مس ما بدي الانسر ليه ما عم تسمعوني؟ I'm asking a question. I'm not asking you to give me the final answer. I'm asking you, what does the total number of things represent in the division? Is it the quotient? Is it the divisor? Is it the dividend or the remainder?
Can't hear you. Remainder.
Wow, it seems you understood the lesson very well. I'm so proud. Would you please think before you answer? What does the total number of things that I'm trying to divide is called? So I'm trying to divide the 75 in groups of 8. Who can tell me what does the 75 represent? I can't hear you. Raise your voice.
Dividend.
Of course, it's the dividend. Of course, it's the dividend. The total number of things that I need to divide is called.
Dividend.
And what do we call groups of 8? What do we call the 8?
Divisor.
The divisor. Very good. So now I have the dividend, which is the total number of flowers, and we have the divisor, and now I can divide. Okay, I'm going to construct the division, and you have to tell me where do I put each one of them. Just a second. More students joining right now. Wow, 10:15. بعد في عندي students now are joining. Yeah. What do I put inside?
Here we put 75.
So we put the 75 inside. What do I put outside?
8.
8. Great. Now I'm going to ask. I want to ask. Let me ask someone. Amir.
Yes.
Amir, can I take the 7 alone?
No.
Why?
No. Because it's lower than 8.
Exactly, because it's less than 8, so I can't take the 7 alone, right? So what do I do in this case?
We take the 5 and put it next to the
Very good. So we take the 75, all of it. Okay? Now tell me, Amir, what's the number, or what's 75 divided by 8?
There is nothing in 7 divided by 8, but
Nancy, it's Amir's turn. Let Amir answer, please.
8 times 9.
8 times 9. Very good, Amir, because 8 times 9 is how much?
72.
Perfect. 72. What do I do after multiplication, Amir?
Subtract.
Subtract. Excellent. 75 minus 72 is how much?
7 minus 7 is 0.
No, we start from the right side. We
5 minus 2 is
exactly. It's 3. And now 7 minus 7?
0.
0. Is there anything else we can bring it down, Amir? Is there any number else here I can bring it down?
No.
So what does that mean? We are done, right? Okay. So now how do I answer this question? How many groups of 8 can be formed with 75 flowers? How do I answer this? How many groups I can make?
3.
3. 3.
9.
By the way, the 3 is the remainder. 3 is the remainder. Means the flowers that are going to stay alone without any group. So how many groups I can make?
9.
9 groups, because 9 is what?
The
dividend. عين يا عين يا عين 9 is
divisor.
كمان ما شاء الله. ليش نحن من الأساس شو قلنا مين هو الديفايزر؟ كتير واضح إنه أنتوا عم تدرسوا كتير سوبر يعني. I'm so proud, so excited.
هذا الكوتن.
هيدا الكوشنت. Thank you.
Quotient.
Quotient means the answer of the division. So what's the answer?
9.
So we say, please mute yourself إذا في حدكم صريخ وضجة. So 9 groups are formed. If I ask you how many flowers are left, what do you tell me?
How many flowers?
Are left without any group? 3 flowers.
3 flowers
Remain.
are left.
Or remained, right? Without any group.
Yes.
Is your answer correct on the paper?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. بس
Yes.
بس كتير واضح
Yes.
انه انتم مش فاهمانين الموضوع. خلص فاهمانين انه بتشوفوا two numbers يلا بنروح دغري بنعمل divide. ما هيك؟ خلص انه درسنا division وشفنا رقمين دغري بنروح بنعمل divide. You have to pay attention. You have to understand every word in the problem. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Let us go for question number 2. In question number 2, they are telling us in a division, so we are making a division, the dividend is 50. Okay? يعني ما بعرف هلا اللي عامل join هلا انه ما the dividend is 50, the quotient is 7, and the remainder is 1. You have to know the divisor. Let us construct this division and try to know the divisor. I'm going to write in green. So we have a division. I'm going to erase this. I don't need it anymore. Okay, so I'm going to construct a division one more time. So this is the division.
Miss, can I do it?
Who's talking?
Aman.
Yalla ya Aman. They are telling us that the dividend is 50. So where do I put the 50?
Down.
Where down, yani? Put a dot on your screen.
Yes.
Yes, very good, Amal. Excellent. They are telling us that the dividend is 50 and the quotient is 7. Where do I put the quotient, Amal?
Here.
This is the
Oh,
quotient.
no. سوري عشان أنا قطعت الكهرباء عندي.
ما بيأثر. أنا بعمل لك إياها لانا أمل. It's okay. Yeah. So where do I put the quotient?
Quotient here.
Above 50.
يلا أمل. Write it. Write it on the screen. Very good. And they are telling us that the remainder, okay, is 1. Where do I put the remainder?
Down.
Yalla, put the remainder. Very good. So
Okay.
now, Amal, what do you think? So we are trying to find the divisor. What do you think is the number that you multiply with 7 and you get a number which is closer to 50?
We will put that 7 times 7, 49. So we put 50 minus 49.
Excellent. So I'm going to write this, Amal. So we're going here to put 7 because 7 times 7 is 49. And then when it comes to subtraction, 50 minus 49 is how much?
Is is
You said
is
50
one.
minus 49 is 1. Very good. So guys, any question about this exercise? So what's the divisor?
7.
The divisor is 7.
Very good. Excellent. Any question about this exercise?
No.
Great. Yalla, if you didn't, or if you are checking your work, just check it quickly.
Okay.
Are you done?
Yes. Yes.
If you are done, please, I want you to prepare your copybook because we need to practice more of exercises, okay?
Okay, here's my copy.
Yalla. If you are done, prepare your copybooks.
Actually, I have my copybook beside.
Great. That's great.
Okay.
Let me take the attendance now before we continue.
Oh, is here we say present?
Yes. You have to say present in order to take your attendance. Okay?
إنه خلف أنت بتتكلم عندك.
So today is 23 March. Yeah, I'm going to start first with Ali Fawaz. Ali Fawaz. He's here anyway. I heard his voice.
Can you hear me? Present.
Yes, yes, Ali. Ali Hassan Hamoud.
Present.
Present.
Yes.
Present.
Musa Basma is not here. Alian is here, right? Also Amal. Amir Hussein.
Present. Present.
Iltaf. Fadiano. Hassan Sabra.
Present.
Hussein Asaili.
Miss, can you hear me? I'm present. I'm Ali Fawaz.
Yes, I heard you, Ali. Hussein Asaili.
He's here.
Miss, please, I
Yes.
need to hear their voices. Hussein Asaili, are you here?
Yes.
Okay. Jude. Jude. Yes. Karim Bitar. Karim Bitar. Karim Kirde is here, right?
Present.
Lana is here. Marie. Marie is here. No, she's not here. And Muhammad Hamoud. Muhammad Hamoud. Muhammad Hamoud is here. Muhammad,
Yes,
if I
he's
did, he has to say I'm here. I need to hear his voice, or else I'm not going to put.
here.
Yes, Muhammad. Thank you. Nancy.
Present.
Noor.
Present.
Rawad.
Present.
Talia.
Present.
Yara.
Present.
Yalla, great. So let us start our job. Okay? Did you prepare your worksheet or any scratch paper?
Yes.
Yes, we did.
I have my book.
كم يا عمي؟ Miss Fina, paper is not copyable.
Of course you can. Yalla, ready?
Yes.
Yeah. This is the worksheet that you're going to practice. Yalla, there are only 9 divisions and I want you to start one by one. Just write the first one.
I'm just sharpening my pencil.
Yalla, the first one is 932 divided by 4. Yeah. Start practicing on your copybook.
Okay.
What's the first one you miss?
Yalla.
This is in our copybook?
No, miss. It's you have to do it on your copybook. You know what copybook, Yara, right?
Yeah, but what page?
Not in the booklet, in any copybook. Bring the blue copybook. Do you know that blue copybook?
This one now.
Yes, Jude.
Can we write on papers?
Of course you can write on papers. Yeah, do the first 3 first, okay? So do number 1, then number 2, then number 3, and stop, okay?
Okay.
يعني we stop till number
Three.
3.
Yes.
Okay.
Do number 1, number 2, and number 3 only.
No. كبير. خلاص ألف فيها عليه. Okay.
I'm almost done.
Yalla, silent, please. Mute yourself.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, miss, but someone called after first تبع عشان هيك.
I think you are ready, right? Because they are very easy.
No, I still
يلا
do it because someone called on the phone.
يلا يا مس أمل يلا work. It's okay.
Miss, it's so easy.
Sorry. يلا I think you are ready ما هيك؟
Yeah.
يلا let us start by the first one. So what do we have? 932.
We have 904
932
930.
divided by 4. Yeah. I will ask someone to help me. I will ask. Let me ask. I will choose randomly, okay? Ali Hassan Hamoud.
Yes, miss.
يلا Ali, do we take 9 alone?
Mm, Yes.
Yes.
No.
بلا yes
Yes.
يا علي لأنه 9 لا more than 4.
Yes.
يلا علي, what's the number you multiplied by 4 to get 9?
Eight. Four times 2.
Excellent. What's 4 times 2 يا علي?
8.
8. And now we subtract. 9 minus 8.
1.
Very good. What do we do now? We bring down the 3. صار عندنا 13. يلا 13 divided by 4.
13 divided by 4.
Mm-hmm.
Four times 4 times 3.
Very good. It's 4 times 3. What's 4 times 3?
4 times 3 is 12.
Yeah, 13 minus 12.
13 minus 12.
One. One, yeah, miss. One. Yeah, we bring down the 2. Sarana 12. What's 12 divided by 4?
12 divided by 4 is 3.
حسن ليش جاوبت؟ يلا يا علي.
بس I don't بس ما جاوبت أني.
والله سوري لكن مين اللي جاوب؟ Please, it's his turn. يلا يا علي. 12 divided by 4. قد ايه قلنا؟
12 divided by 4 it's 3.
Very good.
It's 1.
Yeah, miss 3. 4
It's 3.
times 3, 12, and you subtract. 12 minus 12.
0.
Is there anything else to bring it down?
No.
Yeah, so we are done. Thank you, Ali. Okay, the second one, I will also choose randomly. Nancy.
Yes.
Nancy, yalla Nancy. So we have 168 divided by 8. Okay, Nancy?
Okay.
So do we take the one alone?
No, 16.
16, yeah.
No.
So 16 times 2 equals 16.
8 times 2. Bravo, Nancy. 8 times 2 equals 16. Subtract.
Miss.
0, 0.
Very good, Nancy. Bring down the 8. Yeah, Nancy. 8 divided by 8.
1.
1. Very good. What's 8 times 1?
8.
8 minus 8. Marie, stop writing on the screen. Marie. Yeah, Nancy. 8 minus 8. 0. Very good. Is there anything else to bring it down, Nancy?
No.
No, so we are done. Thank you. Going now to choose someone randomly to solve the third one. Okay?
Miss, can we have 8 minus 8, okay, 0, but the 2 zeros, we can't put it down?
لا شو حيعملوا difference يعني؟ كريم كردي.
Yes.
يلا كريم, it's your turn. So here we have 777 divided by 7. It's very easy, right?
Yes.
يلا يا كريم. What do I take first? يلا كريم. So we take the 7, okay?
Okay.
What's 7 divided by 7?
And divided by 1.
1. Bravo. Times 1. So 7 times 1, it's 7. And we subtract. What's 7 minus 7?
0.
Now we bring down the 7, right?
Yes.
Yeah, the 7 times what? يلا يا كريم. What's the number you multiplied by 7 to get 7? Also 1, huh? كريم عم تسمعني؟ إذا ما عم تسمعني mute yourself يا miss. Yeah, 7 also times 1 equals 7, and then we subtract them and we get a 0. So that's it, 7 times 111. Any question about this?
No.
Miss, I'm going to tell you something. You are not studying well. I want you to practice more the division. Please, I want you to be faster. خلص، نحن ما عندنا صغار، يعني صرنا بنعرف نعملهم، بدي اياكم تكونوا أسرع.